Two of our favorite LMSs, Kajabi versus TalentCards. Today we're gonna go through why you would use Kajabi, why you would use TalentCards, and what the best features are for your dollar.
But first, we got a free masterclass that is linked below if you want to learn how to develop your online course or e-learning program in 90 days or less and save $10,000 in the process.
Boom.
Go to the link below, click on it. We'll see you in the masterclass.
In the meantime, we got Kajabi versus TalentCards. We got these two LMSs. They're in the ring and they're not really fighting because this is an external facing and this is an internal facing. So what does that mean?
What that means is that external is that it is primarily to sell courses, and internal it's primarily to engage and also train your employees. Customers, employees.
Exactly.
Customers, employees.
So really these
Customers, employees.
So this means that these LMSs have completely different use cases. The features of Kajabi are all built to help you sell your program to your learners. So the features include what, Hector?
The features is all about saving you and making you that money. But still,
We have
you
a
have
website builder.
That website builder allows you to develop your website. If you go to e-learningcards.com, you'll see that whole website, our website, is built on Kajabi. You also have landing pages, extremely critical for you to sell your online course. It also includes blogging. It also has email marketing as well, which is super key. Everybody that is joining your community, everybody that's going to your landing page to download your free masterclass link below, you get that email, and then you can email market to them, which is absolutely fantastic. There's also sales funnel automations, which basically makes everything so easy for you and your team to automatically sell your online courses without spending a bunch of time. There is also amazing podcasting. There's payment processing. There's all sorts of stuff that you can do, basically taking your whole business and putting it underneath one whole entire umbrella without having 17 different applications and integrate them together in one.
Boom, and for TalentCards, also an amazing platform, but it doesn't have a lot of this stuff because it's meant to help you engage your employees, and TalentCards really shines when you are looking to engage your employees mobilely. So this is mobile training at its finest, which means that it has a mobile app. And the mobile app is amazing. It matches the UX of Shorts, YouTube Shorts.
YouTube Shorts, like
literally,
TikTok.
Exactly. Think of YouTube Shorts. That UX is how your employees are going to learn when they use TalentCards. TalentCards has QR codes, which means
this is super cool.
you can build out a card set. So they call card sets is the same thing as a course. So when you build out that card set, you're gonna have a QR code that your learners scan that will give them immediate access to that card set. It will automatically open the card set on their phone so they can start training in exactly what they need in that location. You can also download modules onto your phone. Kajabi can't do this.
This is just like Netflix, right? If you want to pre-download it on your phone, so let's say your company, you have technicians on the field or you have people on the ground, or maybe you're in the trucking industry or logistics industry, and there's, one of your employees are in the middle of nowhere and their truck breaks down and you need to be able to, they need to be able to access information right away. Because they can download the modules beforehand, they have access to them. So you don't need internet or data.
Exactly, and there's gamification and leaderboards as well, because yet again, when you are talking about training your employees, you gotta add some competition, some cooperation. And when they win that season or that month or that week or that year and they have the most points, you need to give them something in return. Send them to Hawaii, give them a bonus, give them some time off.
The Greece.
Send them to the Greece, which is where TalentCards is from. And you got badges. But this is really, when you look at the difference between an internal and an external LMS, this is what you're usually gonna see. You're gonna see that an external LMS should have everything that Kajabi has. With that being said, Kajabi may be the only external LMS that has all of this. when you're looking at an internal LMS, you're looking at LMSs that are really working with learner engagement or employee engagement. So let's look at the pricing really quick. So when we look at the pricing of Kajabi versus TalentCards, we're looking at Kajabi, you're gonna pay somewhere around 1.6 cents
per
user per month.
Which is pretty cheap. You know what I mean? If I had bought Bitcoin at 1.6 cents, I would have been really happy.
Me too. And then for TalentCards, we're looking at $1 per user per month. Unless you want the premium features, then you're looking at $1.50 per user per month. So this is another thing when you're looking at the difference between an internal and an external LMS, an internal LMS is going to charge you more per user. And really, maybe this is just our rule, but we don't want to have to pay every single time we get a new sale on our LMS. We don't want to have to pay another $1 per month per user because it really eats into the profits you can make and the value that you can then provide for your learners. Because if your profits go down, you don't have as much money to provide more value to your learners. That's why Kajabi, when we're talking about 1.6 cents per user per month, and this goes down, by the way.
It goes down.
As you buy more advanced packages, this is just what we're paying for because we pay for 10,000 active users. So this is the difference in pricing.
And another big question is, what is SCORM compliant? If you are creating content that you need it to be SCORM compliant, unfortunately, Kajabi does not allow you to have SCORM files. They also don't allow you to have XAPI. Another phrase out there is tin can for that. XAPI and tin can files either. However, you may be thinking that TalentCards is SCORM compliant. Unfortunately, it isn't SCORM compliant either. If you're looking for an internal LMS that is SCORM compliant, Talent LMS is the way to go. We have a bunch of videos on our channel. Go check them out. But this isn't SCORM compliant either.
Now, right below, we have a link to a 30-day free trial of Kajabi. Usually, if you go through Kajabi's site, you're only going to get a 14-day free trial. But since you want to send some support our way for no additional cost to you, you're going to get an extended trial, a 30-day free trial by using our affiliate link below. And you can do the same thing with TalentCards. TalentCards' trial is unlimited though, up to 5 users, which means that you are 1 user and the other 4 users should be your employees. So you can build out your first course or that first card set, and then you're gonna give access to that card set to 4 of your employees, test it for free, and then when you like it, you're only gonna pay $50 a month for 50 users, and then you can move up from there. By the way, if you use our link, send us a comment below and we will personally have a customer relationship manager from TalentCards reach out to you and answer your questions and help you set everything up.
Also, we got that free masterclass for you that's linked below, so go check it out. Go launch your course in 90 days or less. Go launch your e-learning program in 90 days or less and save tens of thousands of dollars in the process. We will see you in there. And until then,
thank you for the likes and subscribes.